Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't link kickoff name on FIFA 23. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So there are two methods that you can do in order to fix this error. So first is to turn off your internet connection, load in and turn it back on. So to do that, follow these steps. So first, head to settings on your chosen console. If on PC, disconnect the internet using the icon on the taskbar. Then locate the network settings and toggle the connection to off. Go back to kick off and set your controllers up on the selected sides. Now press ready. Once you're in the team selection screen, you can turn on your connection back on. Okay? And the second method is to change your difficulty. So to do that, on the main menu, navigate to the gear icon and select it. Enter the settings tab, then head into the game settings tab, then change your difficulty level into something different. Okay, so here as you can see, this is the difficulty level. Okay, so those are the two methods that you can do to fix can't link kickoff name on FIFA 23. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.